I am gonna be recording.
Okay, there you are.
Okay. You sure that's...
It's just working.
Alright, okay, I got it. Thank you then. Wow.
Whoa.
Our first thunderstorm since we've lived here.
Which way are you gonna go?
I pointed it straight at the fridge, babe.
So am I.
And I've got the corner of that in as well. Right, do you want to turn it on its side?
Can we switch?
Go on it. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Right, so we pause that
Okay.
one. Right, start another one. Oh gosh. Okay, on the side.
I need to zoom. I literally just zoomed into everywhere.
Right, okay. Right. Yeah, hold it nice and steady now, don't let it focus now, okay?
It's not steady.
No, Els, it's fine, babe. It's fine, darling, go on.
How are you doing?
It's hard, isn't it? Focus in.
I got a bunch.
Right, I got focus now, there we are. Oh dear.
What?
Oh, the seagull. Right, keep it going out, so I'm going to have a big one now in a minute.
What's terrible is my arms are super achy.
Do you want to take that one as well, or?
I don't know, but I really want to record without bad hands.
Whoa!
I got it! I got
I
it!
think I did too.
I think I got more.
Listen. That's right on top of us, that one, Els.
Okay.
It's right on top of us now, that one.
Are we going to catch it?
Well, you are going to catch it pointing at the houses, love. Wow, that was amazing.
I hope it stays for tonight.
Right.
I bet Sue's probably shitting her pants.
No, she won't. She loves thunder and lightning.
What? You serious?
Yeah. Right. There'll be a lot more now in a sec. Watch. Where did the bits come from?
No, I'm just gonna keep towards you, just in case if that goes off.
Okay. Move it all in then.
What?
Can't seem to get the focus on it now.
I got it.
Stop that one. Go into that one. Okay, that's better. There, got it. Just tipping it slightly on it.
It's like it's more raining than more thunder.
Oh, come on.
How you doing?
Okay.
I'm not, because my arms are feeling like they're about to drop off.
Hold on, let me help you.
Ow. That's not helping a little. You gotta put it there. Keep it. Okay, let me just stretch my arms back. Because my arms are feeling like they've just had 20, 50,000 workouts.
Alright, okay. Still in love.
What I'm just doing.
Yeah, it's time for the rain, it keeps knocking the focus out.
At least the focus is good on the rain. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to.
Focus it over there now.
I got a little one.
Right, okay, take that one off. Start another one.
What is the rain doing bad?
Ready, stop. Right,
Why?
ready?
All we're doing is catching rain.
Yeah.
A lot of it.
Every time the rain hits, I think it just goes mental.
What?
Wow, it can't rain.
What?
It can't rain, it's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna probably flood all this Ready?
No, it was.
That line is about to.
I got nothing on that one. Right, do you want me to help you with that one?
Ready? Why don't we?
Okay, right. Right, let's go.
I don't want to look like.
Alright, okay.
Need a rest.
Alright, no worries.
Like, I can tell you this is pissing down.
Oi, language.
No, it's true.
What's the point? Oh, what's your head?
Sorry, I was just like putting the window back in.
No, open it. We've got to get the thunder, don't we?
But it's fine.
There's a bit of lightning there, not much.
It is not going to open now.
I'll leave it now then. I'll sort it in a minute.
Okay.
Oi, be careful.
I'm just gonna yeah, sit here and watch the sun. Little storm. That's what I was trying to say.
Don't touch the metal, mind. Okay?
I'm looking.
Right.